Meaning of insure.
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 Insure. The word insure means to make certain or guarantee that something will happen or be the case. When someone insures something, they are taking steps to ensure that it does not fail or go wrong. The result of insuring something is that there is a high degree of confidence that it will happen as planned. For example, a project manager may ensure that a project is completed on time and within budget by carefully planning, monitoring progress, and making adjustments as needed. This ensures a successful outcome for the project.